Welcome students. In the previous lecture, we have seen some information about the addition to carbon-carbon double bond. Here we are proceeding further. Now rearrangements in ionic electrophilic addition reaction. Now the formation of some products obtained that is unexpected in these electrophilic addition reactions cannot be explained by the Markovnikov rule. Thus, the addition of hydrogen bromide to 3-methyl-1-butene gives two products. One is 2-bromo-3-methyl-butane, the product expected from Markovnikov's rule, and another is 2-bromo-2-methyl-butane. This is unexpected product. Surprisingly, unexpected product is the major product. Why this happen? Okay, we are going to see. This is the reaction. 3-methyl, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl, 1-butene. Reaction with hydrogen bromide gives 2-bromo-3-methyl-butane. It is a minor product, that is a normal product, which is the expected product. While 2-bromo-2-methyl-butane, it is a major product obtained, which is unexpected. Similarly, 3,3-dimethyl-1-butene also gives normal product and unexpected product with hydrogen bromide. Here, 3,3-dimethyl, this is 3 position, 3, 2 methyl groups are on the 3 carbon atom, 3,3-dimethyl-1-butene. Reaction with hydrogen bromide gives the first product, minor product is 2-bromo-3,3-dimethyl-butane. This is a 2-bromo-3,3-dimethyl-butane. It is the minor product, but it is a expected product. While the 2-bromo, this is a 2-bromo-2,3-methyl, that is dimethyl-butane. It is a major product, but it is an unexpected product. The formation of unexpected product, and which is in major amount, was suggested by scientist Whitmore. He stated that the carbocation reaction intermediate initially formed rearranges itself to a more stable carbocation by 1,2 shift. This Whitmore stated this and studied this. Okay, we are going to see what is this 1,2 shift. This is a 3-methyl-1-butene. The reaction with first, okay, H plus. Here, a secondary carbocation is formed, but which is a less stable, and it is 1,2, that is from one carbon atom, it is shifted to second, and there this is known as a 1,2 shift of this ion, and thus here a secondary carbocation is formed, giving the unexpected product in major amount, that is a rearranged product. While without rearrangement, the normal product is obtained, but it is in the minor form. And this 1,2 shift is responsible for the formation of unexpected product. Now, addition of halogens known as halogenation. Alkenes react with chlorine or bromine in inert solvent and form vicinal dihalides. Okay, This is the reaction with X2. X2 may be Cl or Br. Vicinal on the adjacent carbon atom, that is the vicinal. Same carbon atom J minor, vicinal. Okay. The reaction between alkene and iodide is reversible, and the equilibrium of the reaction lies over the reactant side. Okay. And therefore reaction is not so carried out. For example, this is alkene molecule reaction with bromine, giving the vicinal dibromide product. The rate of addition of halogen increases with increasing alkylation at the double bond. Okay, as alkylation increases, the rate of addition of halogen increases. This order is decreasing order. As there is more alkylation, the rate of addition of halogen increases, decreases, decreases. Okay. Then mechanism of this halogenation. Okay. The addition of halogen to alkene, for example, we are going to study this addition of bromine to alkene molecule, and it is taken place in 4 steps. The first step is when bromine molecule comes in the proximity of an alkene, the negative pi cloud, that is pi electron cloud of alkene, causes the polarization of this bromine molecule. What is the polarization? This is a pi cloud which is responsible for the polarization of this bond, making one slightly positive and another slightly negative polarization. That is displacement of electron pair between 2 bromine atoms towards 1 bromine atom. Here, okay. Now, the second step is the positive end of the polarized bromine molecule. This is the positive end of the polarized bromine molecule is then attacked by electron cloud to form comparatively less stable pi complex. This is the positive side. Okay, pi complex is formed. The positively charged bromine atom is now attacked by both the carbon, leading to the breakage of this bromine-bromine bond, and electrophile bromine atom is bonded to both the carbon atoms to form a cyclic brominium ion, leaving behind negatively charged bromine as bromine minus. This is the attack of positively charged bromine on this carbon, that is a pi electron, pi complex is formed here. This bromine is bonded to 2 carbon, forming cyclic bromium ion, leaving behind this Br minus, that is negatively charged bromine. The last step is the nucleophile Br negatively charged ion attacks this cyclic brominium ion from backside, because the backside is only available for the attack to form vicinal dibromide. This is the cyclic brominium ion, and the attack is possible from backside only, and thus forming this vicinal dibromide. The addition of halogen to alkene takes place in a trans manner. Okay, this is opposite manner, that is trans manner, leading to the formation of trans dihalide. Addition of water called as a hydration. The acid catalyzed addition of water to an alkene is called hydration of alkene, and this reaction is reverse of acid catalyzed dehydration of alcohols to form alkenes. Okay, the product of hydration reaction is alcohol. The acid catalyst generally used is dilute sulfuric acid or this hypophosphorus acid in silicon dioxide. Okay, the reaction of this alkene molecule with water and thus alcohol is the product. As water molecule is a polar, okay, this is H plus OH minus. This polar water molecule, the hydration reaction follows the Markovnikov's rule, okay, and thus the product is Markovnikov's product. For example, addition to this ethene, addition of water molecule, the product is ethyl alcohol, Markovnikov's product. Here, addition to propene, the product OH is added to the carbon containing least number of hydrogen, and therefore the product is obtained by following Markovnikov's rule. That is, negative part of the adding reagent goes to the carbon containing less number of hydrogen atom. Mechanism. The step first is a protonation of alkene to form carbocation, which is a more stable. Okay, this is propene molecule in presence of acid, this carbocation, which is a more stable, is formed. The second step is addition of water by donating a pair of electrons of oxygen. Oxygen contains this pair to electron deficient carbon. Okay, and hence for carbocation. Okay, this is a donation of this pair. Yes. Now the step third is loss of proton to form the final product alcohol. The proton is lost and thus the final product alcohol is obtained. Now the next is addition of hypohalous acid, formation of halohydrine compound. When the addition of halogen, for example chlorine, bromine to alkenes is carried out in presence of water, it is as if the addition of hypohalous acid across the double bond. The product of addition reaction contains OH group and halogen atom on adjacent carbon atoms, and hence it is called as halohydrine. This is the alkene compound, hypohalous, that is acid. The product is halohydrine. This is a halohydrine. For example, reaction on alkene with hypochloride acid. The product is ethylene chlorohydrine. While on propene, it is propylene bromohydrine, the reaction with hypobromic acid. The mechanism of the product obtain halohydrine. The first step in the mechanism is initially halogen adds to alkene to form halogenated alkene carbocation. This is alkene halogen forms giving halogenated alkyl carbocation, leaving behind the negatively charged chloride, that is atom. Then second step, this carbocation then reacts with water. This is the carbocation reacts with water, giving an intermediate. Okay, it is a equally reactive as compared to Cl. Okay, this is a intermediate is formed. And in the third step, this intermediate loses a proton and forms this chlorohydrin. Okay, and thus propylene chlorohydrin is formed. With this, I conclude my lecture. Thank you.